The Sony XAV-AX3200 is a popular choice among budget-conscious car audio enthusiasts. With Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a 6.95-inch touchscreen, and Sony's clean interface, it seems like a safe bet. But before you install it in your dash, there are several critical limitations you need to know. Today on Auto and Moto, we're breaking down why the AX3200 may not be the upgrade you expect. 1. No wireless CarPlay or Android Auto. In 2024, this is a major drawback. The XAV-AX3200 only supports wired connections. That means every time you drive, you're plugging in dealing with cables and clutter. Many competitors in this price range now offer full wireless support, making Sony's omission hard to justify. 2. Weak screen visibility in sunlight. While the touchscreen is responsive, it's not very bright. Users report poor visibility in daylight, with glare making it hard to see navigation or backup camera feeds. If your dash gets direct sun exposure, this becomes a daily annoyance and a potential safety issue. 3. Limited audio output for serious systems. The AX3200 offers only 2 V pre-outs, which are underpowered for users building high-end audio setups. If you're running amplifiers or subs, you'll find the signal weak, leading to distortion or flat output unless you compensate with external processors. 4. Outdated user interface. Sony's interface is clean, but it's also bare-bones and outdated. There's limited customization, no home screen personalization, and minimal real-time display options. Compared to units from Pioneer or Kenwood, the AX3200 feels a generation behind in software flexibility. 5. No HD radio or advanced features. For a unit in this category, the AX3200 skips key features like HD radio, customizable EQ presets, and advanced time alignment. If you're a tuner or audiophile, this unit lacks the tools you'll want to properly dial in your system. In conclusion, the Sony XAV-AX3200 is a reliable, basic unit, but it falls short in 2024. No wireless connectivity, limited screen quality, and lackluster audio outputs make it a tough recommendation when so many head units now offer better tech for the same price.